Hi, everybody. I'm Mike,
And I'm Eric.
and we're here with another edition of Ask the Experts. Today's question, Eric, is the timing analysis shown in our Memento tool with 1 microsecond of accuracy really that precise? How can I be sure of that?
First, let's talk a bit about Memento. Memento is a logging tool that will record all the events coming from your camera, from the IO line, and from the frame grabber itself. To answer to your question, we have done a small setup where we have a pulse generator providing about a 500 Hertz signal, an oscilloscope to check the signal, send this to an IO line of the frame grabber, and which is then used to synchronize the camera. And we will do this recording inside Memento. So here is my oscilloscope where I have something, signal close to 500 Hertz. Here I have Studio with my settings. So let's go back quickly to the settings. I have IO line 11, which is connected to line 2. The camera is set up to acquire on line 2, and the camera is set up to acquire on external trigger. And when I switch to the camera view, here I have around 500 frames per second. Now, while this is ongoing, let's make a recording using Memento. So here is Memento running. I'm going to clear this, run a new recording. Okay, following the signal. Here I should have enough traces. I will pause, analyze the acquired lines, analyze all. And here I have my trigger lines, which are read from the IO lines and pulses coming from the pulse generator. So let's zoom in. And I can directly measure the space between two pulses, which is measured by the frame grabber. So if I shift click here, you see that it's nearly 2 milliseconds, which is 500 Hertz. But this measurement is not very precise. So let's go to the message themselves. So I control click on the message. Here I have my trigger message. Okay, so here it is, hardware trigger. I will put this as a reference 0. So set reference 0. And I see that 2 milliseconds later, here, 2 milliseconds and 2 microseconds later, I have the next trigger coming in. And this, compared to what my oscilloscope say, that I am between 2.001 and 2.002 milliseconds between each pulses. And this is also what Memento shows. So Memento has the same type of accuracy than my strobe signal. At the same time, he shows not only the hardware, but also all the software event that happened inside the driver.
That's amazing, Eric. So I could see that 2.001 and 2.002 milliseconds, that's moving between plus or minus 1 microsecond, 1,000th of a millisecond. But how is that actually possible when this tool is running in an inherently non-real-time operating system? How can you really be sure that you're getting 1 microsecond of accuracy?
Because Memento rely on some high precision clock signal, which is hardware generated by the frame grabber. So the frame grabber behave as a very accurate time basis, which enables us to timestamp all the messages. And based on this, we can precisely measure time. So yes,
okay,
it's software, but it's backed up by inside hardware.
Okay, so it's not relying on the application to measure the time itself in software. It's actually polling something on the coax link series of frame grabbers to get the accurate time reference. Now I understand. Well, thanks for that explanation, Eric.
You are very welcome.